All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. So, today, fellas, B-gang, whatever you guys want to call yourself, we have a package that arrived a while ago. So listen, man, I got like a few packages here that arrived a while ago, and I opened this one, stuck it in the closet, and forgot all about it. So now we can have like a first impressions, because I wanted to see what was in the box, and there's a lot of stuff in this box. I know who this is from, but you don't. But now you know. So this one here comes from the great people over at Alexandria Fragrances. My guy Hanny hit me up and said, King, I sent you something. And I said, cool, man, what you got, what you got? He said, you'll see when you get it. And I said, all right, cool, now I got it, and I saw it. Now it's time for the world to see it. I feel like I've had this for like a month. All right, so there's a lot in here. All right, whatever. So he said, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different fragrances is what we have here, and I know some of these are fire. So, actually, I don't know. Just be honest here. All right, cool. So let's see what we got here. So this one is like new. So the first one that we have here is Alexandria Fragrances 1981X. From my understanding, this one is a recreation of a Xerjoff. I believe it's called like Naxos or something like that. This one is listed as aromatic sweet honey tobacco, and this one is a perfume extract. I have to go to the store after this, so I can't spray it all on me, and I'm out of cards. Excuse you, imaginary office. We're gonna use your box. Oh, this was good. I like this. I don't have the original, so I don't know what this one smells like in relation to the original. This is dope. I gotta let it dry though to get some additional piece on it. What you thought? You like? See, I ain't even get it over there yet. This is good. This was nice. I like this one. Boom. This one, Hafez 1984. This one is made by Hanny for Hanny. So this is like Hanny's creation to himself. Where's your creation of Big Beard B? Shit. I mean, hit me up. We can work that out. But no, this one, the Hafez 1984. This one is his creation to himself. I'm going to assume he was born in 1984. Okay, okay. This is good. Kind of woody. Woody is sweet.
That's good.
She can, damn, you can smell them all over there. This is nice. I like this one. I like this one. Good one. Good one, sir. All right. Just running through it, man. I don't know. Some of you guys might already have these. I should do like a top 10 Alexandria fragrances. You guys let me know. I think I have like enough to do that at this point. Or if I don't have some that you guys feel like I need to try, if you haven't at least seen me unbox it or talk about it, let me know. Matter of fact, just comment below your favorites. And if I don't have them, I'll try to acquire them and maybe get you guys like a top 10 Alexandria fragrances. This one is Moonlight in Paradise, and I have like a reference sheet here. This one is called Moonlight in Paradise, and this one is inspired by Killian's Moonlight in, what is it? Moonlight in Heaven. Yeah, Moonlight in Heaven. Now, I'm not a big fan of the original Moonlight in Heaven, but the new one to me is solid. And I feel the same way about this one. Not a fan of this one. But obviously, if you're looking to recreate that one, then it's there. Yeah. Like, from my understanding, that one was made like after like a rice patty or something like that. I'm not sure, but I don't like it. I don't like that one, and I don't like the one that Killian released. So if you were shooting for that, great job. So the next one we have here is Forbidden Plum, which is a take on Tom Ford's Plum Japonais. So a while ago, maybe 2016, one of the guys who worked for me, I think he watches from time to time. He doesn't work for me anymore. He was down in the Miami area. He actually purchased Plum Japonais. He was looking for a plum fragrance, and that's the one he picked up. And he like enjoyed it a lot. So this one is nice. Smells very similar to that Plum Japonais. Get out of here. See me trying to grab you on. To me, like the Plum Japanese, this one and what this Forbidden Plum and Plum Japanese. To me, that's more like fall, winter-ish type fragrances, nighttime to me. Slightly oody, a little spicy. If you're into that, if you're into Plum Japanese, then you would like this one. I'm not a huge fan of Plum Japanese, but this one isn't bad. Himalaya Mountains is the next one that I have here, which obviously, this one is a take on Creed Himalaya. It's up there somewhere. Oh, I can smell this one already. Yeah. Yeah, this one's good. Yep. God damn, this is good. Woody, aromatic, citrusy. Damn, this one is a nice one. I like that one too. Allows me to save that stuff because I can wear this one. Same, just like Dark Knight, like I can save the Killian Black Phantom because it smells damn near identical. That's the same thing with that Himalaya Mountains. And this one is Hawaii Intense. So from my understanding on Hawaii Intense, this one is a follow-up on the Hawaii Volcano that they had, which was a recreation or inspired expression of Creed Virgin Island water. This is good. It takes like that citrus aspect of Virgin Island water. It has like this cotton candiness to it as well. I do like this. Damn. Why was this stuff like put away in a box? You should have stopped me.
What?
You should have stopped me. This is good. Obviously, I can't count because I have 6 fragrances here, and in my head, I feel like I said 7 at the top of the video. But I have 6 fragrances here, and I like them all for the most part. I'm not a fan of the Moonlight in Heaven recreation because I'm not a fan of Moonlight in Heaven. I do like the new Moonlight in Heaven, but overall, man, solid releases. So you guys comment below and let me know if you have any of these, which one do you enjoy the most? And also let me know if you would like to see like a top Alexandria Fragrances video. But these are solid fragrances, solid releases. So if you know anything about the line, it's a really solid line with recreations and a few of their own original pieces as well. Obviously you have the Hawaii Intense, which was the new one, and the Hafez 1984, which is one that he created for himself, as that's original one as well. Cacao Dreams, original one, which is dope. And then you have the recreations and inspired expressions, which are dope. You got Dark Knight, this Himalaya Mountains, which is good, and just a lot of other ones within that house. So that's my take on these, man. I do like them. First impressions, boom. I'm going to get you an official review of Zion out, and that will be in the week of the Lost reviews, because that one was one I promised you guys and I just hadn't done yet. So that's coming. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on these in the house. As always, I'm your boy, Big Bear B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. And there will never be another Big Bear B. There will be no inspired expressions. Just hit the goddamn bell.